up, everyone? Happy Sunday. I hope you all are having a good day so far. So Sundays for me are usually kind of prep days for the entire week to just set the pace and set the tone. So I thought today I would do a little bit of cleaning. And my room isn't super messy. I usually keep it pretty clean, but I kind of wanted to do a little bit more of a deep clean today where I throw out some stuff, get rid of some stuff, separate some stuff I want to maybe donate or give to friends, getting rid of old expired food or drinks that are still sitting around, kind of just anything and everything. So the first order of business is just going to be gathering any laundry, and this is going to include the sheets I spilled pasta sauce on the other day that need washed.
Town that I grew up, now I'm on a boat to Bermuda. I be like, damn. Chi-town, love me when I touch down. I used to be stuck, but what's up now? Sacramento, where they only puff loud. 90 in the rental when the sun down. Only do tacos in Texas.
So you'll notice next on this desk, I have a few little cacti. I'm just gonna go ahead and attend to watering my little plants next. This glass tea jar, which I think is like the cutest shape. Gonna each a little drink. That one I broke the tip off of him, but he's still thriving at the moment.
Got my soul in the grip. So many hoping I tread. I keep my head to the sky. Mama, you're something to shine. One for the folks in the town that I grew up.
Alright, so like I was saying, I bought a lot of these drinks as soon as I moved down here. So I'm gonna go through everything, just like sodas or lemonades, and just make sure stuff isn't expired, because some of it might be 2 years old, I don't really know. So we'll do that next.
Like damn. I'm on a boat to Bermuda.
And I've already went through most of my books, but I'm gonna go ahead and donate every one except for these two. So these ones are all getting donated. And then I'm gonna keep these two because I really like these ones. So I'll put these up here to put on my shelf. Donation so far. Now we are gonna be in the bathroom, and I just have a lot of like beauty stuff in general, which I think a lot of people do have too much. So I'm gonna again go through stuff. If it's expired, it's going in the trash. If I just don't wear it and I want to give it to someone else, I'm gonna go ahead, put it in a bag, and ask for any friends if they want it before I get rid of it. So we're gonna do that now. Like in here, a hot mess. That's what. So I just did a closet clean out not too long ago, but I just want to organize what I have in here and get rid of stuff I don't need. At the very least, just make it look a little bit neater. back here, my clothes. This kind of all stayed the same, but it's pretty organized here. Still got a good little pile and trash, more trash, old foods and stuff. This gonna be taken out soon. It's a candle I want to test.
She was living in summer, flowers in her hair. No one ever loved her.
I really like my book organization as of now, so it's because it's just kind of like, it's getting a little overrun here, but I'm excited to have a bookshelf someday, but since I don't right now. I was like, oh, you know where I'm at it? Let me just wipe the top of my fridge. Ooh, so dusty. I don't think this has been cleaned for 2 years. Tea. I'm back. So, did I get lazy and not finish filming yesterday? Yes. Did I sleep without any bedding yesterday? Also yes. Did I wear the same outfit to make it seem like it's the same day? Also yes. So we're gonna finish up cleaning today with a little bed making, a little vacuuming, and then a little, what's the word? Little small room tour. Ready for it? All right, perfect. Let's get into the bed montage. Alrighty friends, so we are all done with cleaning everything from start to finish. That's gonna get done, and these days it is now Monday morning. So I would kind of consider my room a smaller room in general, I think. Maybe it's considered average size, I really don't know. It could be social media and capitalism convincing me otherwise, but either way, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a full tour to see what my room looks like. All cleaned pretty much perfectly now, so let's get started.
Oh, the moon pales in comparison to you, and I don't know what I should do. Love always feels like it gets in the way, hanging up but we got nothing to say. See you tomorrow, love you through sorrow. Leave me some breadcrumbs and I swear I'll follow you. The right way is feeling so wrong, but the right way should lead me to you. Cause if it's true, I don't know what I'll do. Oh, the moon pales in comparison to you, and I wanna spend the rest of my life with you. Your eyes look like the stars, the sky is jealous, you're taking me too far. It's overwhelming, no matter how high we go, I'll find my way back to you.
This is the end.
What nonsense, darling. Well, I fixed you up last night, and I'll do it again.
Oh, the moon leaving me oh so soon. Will I see you again? I'll stay right here till then, singing out to all the stars, hoping you hear me wherever you are, calling your name each and every day. If they call me insane, I'll say, oh, the